name is Shakira Binti Fadli. My student ID is 202-580-9436.
Hi, my name is Adawiyah Binti Hairul. My ID student is 2025856012.
Hello, my name is Zidi Binti Hafiz and you can call me Aisha. My student ID is 2025404348. Bye-bye.
Let's start with part A, question number 1. Adele plans to buy a new motorcycle that costs 9,000 ringgit. However, she currently has only 8,000 ringgit in savings, so she is considering two options. Based on two options above, we need to determine which option will be more financially wise for Adele. Support your answer with relevant calculation and reasoning. Let's continue with the calculation for option number 1. First of all, we need to use compound interest formula. S equal to P times 1 plus I to the power of n. Our P is 8,000, and for our n, it is equal to 2. And for I, it is 0.043 per 1 because the interest was compounded annually. Now, let's insert all the information that we have into the formula. So, the answer for option number 1 is 8,702 ringgit and 79 cents. For option 2, we need to use the same formula, which is compound interest formula. And for P, it will be 1,000. N equal to 2. And I 0.05 per 1 because the interests are also compounded annually. Next, insert all the information into the formula, and the answer we will get 1,102 ringgit and 50 cents. Last but not least, we need to combine the interest with Adele currently saving, which is 8,000 ringgit. So the answer will be 9,102 ringgit and 50 cents. Based on this calculation, the option that will be financially wise and better for Adele is option number 2 because she has 9,102 ringgit and 50 cents, and it is enough to buy a new motorcycle compared to the other option. Now, let's move on to question number 2. The question says Akil has two choices regarding his apartment. First, he can sell his apartment later, which is 3 years from now, for 500,000 ringgit. And for the second one, he can sell it now for 445,000 ringgit and invest the money in a savings plan that gives him more money after 3 years. Let's calculate how much Akil will get if he sells his apartment now and invests the 445,000 ringgit. So first of all, we need to use the compound interest formula. P will be 445,000 ringgit, I 0.047 per 12 because of the interest is 4.7% and compounded monthly. For N, it will be 3 times 12 equal to 36 months. The final amount that we will get is 512,242 ringgit and 87 cents. For the conclusion, it will be more beneficial for Akil to sell the apartment now and invest the amount because the price will be 512,242 ringgit and 87 cents, which is more higher than if he sell the apartment 3 years from now.
Question 3. Based on this question, we need to use the compound interest formula, which is S equals to P, 1 plus I, N. Find the information in the question as I already highlighted. First, we need to find our first S, which is the future value. So, S1 equals P1, 1 plus I1, and 1. So, 9,000, 1 plus 0.043 over 4, 4 times 2, 6 years, minus with 4 years equals 2 years. First S is RM 9,784 ringgit and 37 cents. For searching for our S2, 9,784 ringgit 37 cents add with 4,500, 1 plus 0.043 over 4, 4 times 4. 4 is the only year remaining. So we got our future value is RM 16,882 ringgit and 71 cents. For question B, determine the total interest earned by that time. Latest amount in the account minus amount invested. So the calculation is RM 16,883 ringgit and 71 cents minus with 9,000 plus 4,500. Then we will get Rm 3,383 ringgit and 71 cents. Question C. Explain your reasoning. I think yes, because Rm 16,882 ringgit and 71 cents is greater than Rm 15,000. There will be a surplus about Rm 1,882 ringgit and 71 cents. So based on the calculation and the stated interest rate, Eric will have at least Rm 15,000 for his son's university expenses.
Next is part B, question 1. Based on the question given for question A, find the monthly payment. First step, we're going to multiply 1.5 million ringgit with 6 over 10 and get 900,000 ringgit for his entire share. Next step is 3 million ringgit. We minus with his entire shares 900,000 ringgit and get 2,100,000 ringgit, the total of the loan. Then 2,100,000 ringgit equals to R. We multiply with 1 minus 1 plus 0.034 over 12 as the value of I and to the power of negative 360 as the value of n, and divide them with the value of I again, which is 0.034 over 12, and get our final answer R equals to 9,330 ringgit 11 cents. Move on to the question B, calculate the interest charge. 9,330 ringgit 11 cents, our monthly payment, we're going to multiply it with value of n 360. Those answer, we will minus it with total of the loan 2,100,000 ringgit, and the final answer is 1,252,790 ringgit 60 cents. For question C, we have to find the amount of total payment as 5. So 9,330 ringgit 11 cents, our monthly payment will multiply with 1 plus 0.034 over 12 and to the power of 5 and minus them with 1. Lastly, we will divide them with the value of I, 0.034 over 12, and we've got our final answer, 46,830 ringgit 17 cents. Last but not least, for question D, value of n, which is 360, meaning of 30 years times 12 months. He already paid for 20 years, which is 20 years times 12 months equals to 240. So we minus 360 with 240 and get our new value of n, 120. Include them all to the formula given. If 120 equals to 9,330 ringgit 11 cents, will multiply with 1 minus 1 plus 0.034 over 12 to the power of negative 120, and the answer will divide with 0.034 over 12 again, and the final answer is A120 equals to 946,280 ringgit 14 cents.
For part B, question 2, this question needs to use annuity formula to find the future value. S equals P, 1 plus I, n minus 1 over I. So, let's insert the information into the formula. 30,000 equals 400, 1 plus 0.045 over 12, and minus 1 over 0.045 over 12. Then, we need to bring 400 to 30,000. We will get 30,000 over 400. Then, we solve it, and we will get 75 equals 1.00375 n minus 1 over 0.045 over 12. Using an algebra method, we will get 0.28125 equals 1.00375 n minus 1. We will bring the minus 1 to the front. So, it will be plus 1. In this question, we need to use log. So, n log 1.00375 equals log 1.28125. So, our n is 67